at first you know me, and I just want to say hello to my friends in my school and Harrison in the compound, especially Michelle, my the twins, and more, and Jeffrey in my school, Jasmine, Gabby, Army, DOPA, Joyce, Marvin, Hasmin, and I just want to say see you soon. And it's really nice to have a friendship. I mean, imagine your school schoolmate, your best friend, or your really best BFF will have some, you know, some things that is not good for you. And if your friends do that, it's it really hurts. But if you were a true BFF, you'll never give it to your best friend or your BFF or your friend because you know that he or she will be hurt. So I think that you shouldn't play with hearts or friendship because if you play with it, maybe you hurt somebody, not just somebody, but the very special person in your life. And I just want you to know that this video will serve as an inspiration for friendships. And I just want to say hello to my friends. Thank you. Remember that quote because that quote will be your inspirational idea. So you will know that friendship